So guys, in this video we are going to look at Cpen Network. The KYC Liveness check is live. You need to complete it for you to secure your Cpen account. Currently, what we are mining is $Inc. We are done with Cpen, but right now our main focus is on the $Inc. The first step here is you need to update your app. Go over to your Play Store and search for Cpen, update it. Once you update it, the first thing you will see here is action required. Your KYC will be revoked if you do not complete the liveness check. Please complete the liveness verification to keep your KYC. Some of us that participated in the Cpen have done our KYC. But for you to maintain that KYC that you have done before, you are going to do a complete liveness verification. And this is the requirement. Let's look at their update concerning that. Coming here, let's check their latest update. And if you are coming across this channel for the first time, please do well to like, share, subscribe, join our WhatsApp group at Telegram channel for high value updates. So here you are going to see that they made this update yesterday, January 27, 2026, and they said we have released a new update to the Cpen mobile app on both the Apple Store and the Google Play. And they said this version introduced an upgraded KYC liveness verification to better protect the network. All users must complete this step to maintain their KYC status. Now this KYC, it just takes 20 seconds. And they say stronger protection against fake accounts, bots, deepfakes, and device farms. So that is why they upgraded their KYC. And they said here, please update your app to version 1:3:2 or later and complete the KYC liveness check. Thank you for your continued support, Cpen team. So this is the latest update yesterday. So how then do you do your KYC? Let's go back to home. Coming back to home, you click here. These three lines at the top left. Once you tap on it, you can now see KYC verification required. Tap on this KYC verification required. Action required. Verify your face. Verify your face. You have enhanced our security. Please complete a quick face verification. This is where they are going to flag some users, especially those that has done their KYC during the Cpen. If another person did the KYC for you, make sure that the person will repeat the same face verification for you. If you are not the one that did it for yourself, go and look for that person so that the person will use the same face. If eventually you use your face and you are not the one that did it previously, they might block your account. So what you need is, this is the requirement: mining streak. You need 9 more days to reach 1/10. They require 10-day streak. For you to complete this, the face scan to verify your face to maintain your KYC status, you have to be on a daily streak for 10 days. 10 days is not much. If you miss any day, you start afresh. So make it a necessity so that you will not start afresh. Keep on logging into the bot. I updated mine today, so I have 9 more days. I will make sure I'll be on daily check so that I can complete my first verification. I think this is what you need to do. So go and update your app so that you can have the latest version and be on a daily streak for 10 days to do your face scan. Thank you guys. See you guys in my next video.